Tapos, he says further,
there's no such thing. Kasi kung
there's
nandyan pa
no
yan,
such thing.
talagang lumabas yan.
Sabi niya, there's no such thing na pinag-uusapan, and he says, wala yan. And then he says something, here's something I can say. And he talks about maraming leader dito, may mga mayor na nagtitake ng illegal na substances. Kasi wala yan, kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. So what can we pick up from this? Well, first, nalihis siya, and it seems that alam niya yung punteriya ng video, but he says, what he says is there's several leaders at may mga mayor daw na nagtitake ng ganon. This is my opinion, ha? Ang tingin ko dyan is he's establishing a fact. Several facts. Number one, that he's not involved in it, in the video. And two, he does not know for sure that it exists.
Ito nga mga kababayan, sa presscon ni FPRRD, na itanong dito patungkol sa Polvoron video, tila parang hindi nasagot ang pinapunto ng tanong ng media, tila lumihis ang sagot nila. Ang tanong ng media, di ba may sinabi ka na may tumatakbo presidente ng gumagamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot, ngunit ang sagot nila maraming gumagamit niyan pati mga mayor. Okay, ito ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito. Kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, baka pwede makahingi ng like at subscribe at click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking nilalabas na bagong video. Salamat po.
We're talking about, of course, that video, yung pinag-uusapan ng matagal na ni Madam Maharlika, at today nag-comment po si FPRD. And he was asked about the video. So I hope maririnig po ninyo ito. I have, nasa TikTok din, I took a portion, I excerpted a portion of the video, and nasa TikTok natin, but let's play this one. Hopefully maririnig nyo. Okay, there he goes. He says, wala yan. Yung video.
I can say that every hindi lang leader dito, maraming mayor dito nagpupuking.
Okay. So he says, wala yan. Well, I can say dito maraming mayor, dito maraming leader na nagtitake ng you know what. Tapos, he says further,
there's no such thing. Kasi kung
there's
nandyan pa
no
yan,
such thing.
talagang lumabas yan.
Sabi niya, there's no such thing. Kasi kung andyan pa yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. Okay. And that's it.
Wala yan.
Wala yan. Inulit pa niya.
Yan. Mayor, ayun.
Okay, so, ngayon, maraming nagtatanong ngayon kung anong ibig sabihin nun, or what is our take on that. Alright, so this is what he says. So he says first, wala yan. Okay? Kasi merong video na pinag-uusapan, and he says, wala yan. And then he says something, here's something I can say. And he talks about maraming leader dito, may mga mayor na nagtitake ng illegal na substances, or one particular one, no? Tapos he goes on to say, wala yan, kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. So what can we pick up from this? Well, first, nalihis siya, and it seems that alam niya yung punteriya ng video, but he says, what he says is there's several leaders at may mga mayor daw na nagtitake ng ganon. Implying that this is entirely possible, that the event allegedly contained in the video, whatever it is true because there are others who do that. Okay. And then he says, wala yan, kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. What is he establishing? Hindi sa inaano niya, no? Hindi sa binabaliwala niya. Kasi he doesn't say whether or not he believes in it. So, except nang sinasabi niya is merong ganon there's certain leaders who actually do something like that. Pero ang sinabi niya is kung totoo yan, lumabas na yan. Ang tingin ko, this is my opinion ha, ang tingin ko dyan is he's establishing a fact, several facts. Number one, that he's not involved in it, in the video. And Two, he does not know for sure that it exists. Okay, so what is he establishing na wala siyang kinalaman dito? He's not saying it directly, but he's saying wala siyang kinalaman dito. The reason ito yung interpretation ko is kasi a week ago, may nag-message sa akin from the military, from that group that supposedly or allegedly saw this alleged video. Hindi niya sinasabing siya, no, but he's saying that merong kasing umikot na balita na maraming may hawak ng alleged copies ng alleged video na yan. And that they had seen it. And ang sabi is, a group of PMAers daw ay meron na nun. So may umikot na balita na merong mga may hawak na kopya na ganon. And according to the rumor mill, isa doon si dating Pangulo. So in saying this, what he's saying is, wala siyang kinalaman dyan, hindi niya alam yan, and he doesn't believe it exists. Kasi yung existence niyan is simply a matter of belief right now. And sa kanya, hindi siya naniniwala. Of course, lahat yan mapabubulaanan pag lumabas, kung mayroon man, ang video na yan. So, mahalaga yan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Kasi may mga ino-oppress, di ba? May mga pinatatahimik, may mga tinitreten, nakakasuhan. Kasi kahit ako mismo, may nag-message na sa amin na, hala, makukulong ka or something like that. You're in trouble. Pagka yan may nangyari, you're going to be in trouble. Ginaganon ako. So, mayroong calls na nagaganon at meron din minsan nasa message. Okay. So, and therefore, ang tingin ko is, yun yung that's one way of dealing with that issue. May mga iba, ang interpretation nila ay china-challenge nilang ilabas yung mga kopya na yan. But I don't think so. Kasi may timing ang lahat. So, may timing ang lahat ng ito. Bakit ko sinasabing may timing? Bakit sinasabi na hindi pwedeng ilabas yan ngayon? Okay? Ang tingin ko dyan is, the reason naghihinala ang administrasyon dito kay VP Inday at kay former President Duterte, hinala, take note, is because of the GMA formula. Okay? Noon, nung si GMA ay Vice President, there are two versions of this, no? Nagkaroon ng coup, supposedly, well, quote-unquote, or a rebellion, and they were able to take over. Ang ruling ng Supreme Court doon is on whether or not maaaring tumakbo pa si GMA. Ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, dahil umabot ng 2 years, yes, entitled si GMA to another term of 6 years. Nung umabot ng 3 years, 2 or 3 years, 2 years I think, ay umabot, 2.5, ay because of that, maaari pa siyang tumakbo ng isang term. So, ito kasi yung reason kung bakit very insecure at very worried ang administrasyon dun sa mga Duterte. We know that VP Inday had no plans of anything. We know that President Duterte has repeatedly said he is retired, he's no longer seeking office. Although once in a while, sinasabi niya, takbo kaya ako. If in-impeach si Inday, I will have no choice but to return to politics. So, yun yung konteksto. Kaya worried yung administrasyon, baka sila ma-erap. 'Di ba? At kung ma-erap sila, hindi yan gagawin ng maaga pa lang within the first year. Kasi dahil yung Supreme Court ruling, parang 2 years or more pa kailangan para ma-entitle yung VP to run for another term. And therefore, it is important for former President Duterte to indicate and send a strong signal na wala siyang interest, na he's not interested in any kind of takeover, na wala siyang interest dun sa sa pagpapalit ng leadership, and that he himself is retired. He did not even talk to any of the military, di ba? Wala siyang kausap na PNP kasi sabi niya, sinong siraulong military o police ang maniniwala sa akin? Bakit pupunta sila sa akin? So he also denied that in the same interview. Ngayon, like I said, nobody yet really knows except for the people who actually hold it, who if that video exists. Okay? Ngayon, this is what I think worries people. Is indicative of something. Kasi tignan ninyo, bakit worried ang administrasyon? Bakit sila worried to the point that they don't address the issue? Dineded Manila. And at the point where a lot of people, it's starting to snowball, kailangan i-address nila yung issue na ito because it might have a destabilizing effect. Diba? Now, the rule always is for any government to protect itself. The state protects itself. Okay? So yung mga nagsasabing, bakit hindi nilalabas yung video? Because if there is an intent, I'm not saying there's any. What I'm saying is, if there is an intent or they want to make sure that there is a way out. Kasi pag lumabas yung video na yan, there will be hell to pay, so to speak. We know that this administration, particularly acting through the Congress, can have a tendency to be oppressive. So, kung lumabas ang video na yan, kailangan may counter threat. And the counter threat is that should there be an uprising, a legal one or whatever, then there is a possibility of a 9-year presidency for the one who takes over.
Kung nagustuhan mo ang ganitong video, huwag kalimutan ang magkomento kung ano ang saloobin mo. Salamat po.